Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida, and another video and another Tool Time Thursday. But today is not really going to be a Tool Time Thursday. It's like a Tool Time Hacked Thursday. So I just changed what did I just change? The clutch and stuff, and some manual transmission oil in my buddy's Mustang Boss 302. And I kind of learned this hack. I think I've seen it somewhere. And I just wanted to show you guys, just in case you guys hadn't seen it before, because I hadn't seen it before, where you use the bottle, you drill a hole, and you put a cap in it, and it you use that's the easiest. I did it. It's the easiest and cleanest way to do that, refill that transmission. So what he did, he went and he bought one of these pumps with the crank handle from Harbor Freight. So take that, throw that away. All you need out of it is this tube. Take everything else and throw away. Just use this tube. And then what it did was drill a hole with a Christmas tree bit or a step bit. And then what I do is then I'll just push this down into the bottle. Push it, well, into the cap first and then into the bottle. Push it all the way in. I'll push it till it's about maybe a 1/4 inch off the bottom. And then what you got to do at the top where there's no fluid is you're going to want to take this and then drill another hole on the side. So I drill it on the side because since I'm going to be working on the ground, I drill it at the side. I think it'd be worse if I drill it, sorry, at the top. So I drill it at the side so I could have easy access to put the air truck. So what we're going to do is then we're going to use some shop air, put some air to it, and it's automatically going to just automatically fill it up all the way, easy. And the only time you're going to lose anything is when it fills up and it starts seeping out that hole, which you're going to have to pull it out and put that nut back in. But there it is. Just take the regular bottle, even if it's a gallon bottle, probably you could drill it in a handle or wherever you find more convenient, and then just drill a hole the size of this. I made it pretty tight so no air could really leak out. It's still going to leak out, but just make it tight enough to where it's not going to leak out too much, and set it up that way. I already filled the transmission, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you guys up on the table. I'm going to use some of the used oil and the shop air. I'm going to show you what I did, and then I'll go underneath the car and show you how easy it made it. So here it is all set up. Hopefully I don't make too big of a mess. So then as my air truck on my air hose, I'm going to try and do this to where I don't shoot this everywhere. So all I do, I put this up in the transmission, and then that pretty much stays, and then I just hold the bottle because since the car is on the quick jacks, I can't sit it down flat on the ground. I didn't want to drill the hole. Then now the air is in the way, so I kind of put it on the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it over here, and I'm going to put the air to it, and then you guys should be able to see the air coming out of the, not the air, the oil coming out of the bottle. So here it is. I got it set up. I got the bottle over here, drain pan over here, just to show you that I'm going to hold the hose, and so you can see the oil coming out, and hopefully I don't make too big of a mess. But I said I put this part up in the transmission. That pretty much holds itself, and then I just hold this and do it. That's why I put the hole on the side instead of at the top, because if I did it at the top, all this is going to be in the transmission tunnel and in the way. So that's why I put it on the side for this bottle. But if you have a gallon bottle, you could probably put it on the top. So I'm just going to hold it right here. And then what I'm going to do is just take this, put some air to it. And as you see, oh, you can see. Let me see. Oh, see, too much air. So just do it like this. And as you see, just pouring the oil out. Until it's done. And just like that, that's how fast and easy it is to fill up the that transmission with that oil. So here it is under the car. Up here on the side is the fill for the transmission fluid on the manual. As you can see, you don't have a lot of room in the tunnel to work with. So that's why this makes it a lot easier. So all I do is just go ahead and put this up right here in that hole. And then I just put this stays in here by itself. And that way it makes it a lot easier to do all that stuff, especially, as I said, on the quick jacks underneath the ground on the car. And as they say, you get a tight space between the transmission tunnel and the main thing is make sure you have shop air. So that's the only thing some people have is the compressor for the air. But other than that, it's pretty cool. Transmission's in. You gotta change the K member on it next. He doesn't like all the rust underneath, so we're changing it out to a tubular one. All right, guys, so that's a quick tool time Thursday. Learn something cool, maybe you guys already knew that. One of the guys on the last video said I need to use some lithium-ion batteries, and welcome to the 21st century. Thanks for that info. I'm gonna use it. Until the next video, guys, definitely like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for future uploads. Until the next video or Tool Time Thursday, peace.